What if I told you there's an entire ecosystem inside you quietly deciding how you feel, think, and even behave? Your gut microbiome, trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system, does way more than just help you digest food. It's directly linked to your immune system, your mood, your energy levels, and even your risk for diseases. Ever had a gut feeling? That's not just a saying. Your gut and brain are constantly talking. When your gut is out of balance, it can show up as anxiety, fatigue, skin problems, or brain fog. The scary part? Most people are damaging their gut daily without realizing it. The powerful part? You can change it and literally transform your life from the inside out. So, watch the video very carefully. What if I told you that trillions of tiny living organisms inside your gut are secretly controlling your energy, your mood, your immune system, even your cravings? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Your gut microbiome may be the single most powerful health system you've never been taught about. So what exactly is the gut microbiome? In simple terms, your gut microbiome is the community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms living inside your digestive system. Most of them live in your large intestine, and when they're balanced, they work for you. When they're out of balance, they work against you. These microbes help digest your food. They produce essential vitamins. They regulate your immune system. They influence inflammation. And incredibly, they even communicate directly with your brain. This connection is called the gut-brain axis. That means your anxiety, brain fog, low motivation, and even mild depression may not just be in your head. They may be starting in your gut. Now here's the problem. Modern life is destroying our gut microbiome. Processed foods, excess sugar, antibiotics, chronic stress, lack of fiber, poor sleep. All of these damage the diversity of your gut bacteria. And when diversity drops, symptoms begin. You may feel constantly tired. You may struggle with bloating or digestion issues. You may catch colds more often. You may gain weight more easily. You may feel inflamed or mentally foggy. Most people treat these symptoms separately. Energy drinks for fatigue, antacids for digestion, supplements for immunity, coffee for brain fog. But what if the real solution is restoring your gut microbiome? When your gut bacteria are balanced and diverse, your body begins to function differently. Your digestion improves. Your immune defenses strengthen. Your inflammation lowers. Your metabolism stabilizes. Your mental clarity increases. This is why scientists now call the gut your second brain, because it doesn't just process food. It helps regulate your entire life. So how do you begin restoring your gut microbiome? First, increase natural fiber from vegetables, legumes, and whole foods. Second, reduce ultra-processed foods and added sugars that feed harmful bacteria. Third, introduce fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt. Fourth, manage stress. Chronic stress directly alters gut bacteria balance. And fifth, prioritize sleep. Your microbiome actually follows a circadian rhythm. Small, consistent changes can completely shift your internal ecosystem. But here's what most people don't realize. Restoring gut health isn't just about digestion. It's about restoring life energy. When your gut is strong, everything improves. Your focus, your immunity, your resilience, your vitality. If you want to go deeper into exactly how to restore your gut microbiome step by step, click the link in the description below to learn more about the book, Your Super Gut Feeling Restored: How to Restore Your Life Energy and Overall Health from the Inside Out by Restoring Your Gut Health. Inside, you'll discover the science-backed roadmap to rebuilding your microbiome, increasing your natural energy, and transforming your health from the inside out. Your body already knows how to heal. You just have to give your gut the support it's been missing. Click the link below and take the first step toward restoring your life energy today.